Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Yeah, go right here.
This one. There you go. Good. Don't even try. Settle. What the hell? I was waiting for that spot. You just came in here.
I'm going the right way, you're not. I'm going the right way, you're not.
See you on YouTube.
Those are just the ones that we saw. We were not there all the time. Whoa. Oh, God. Oh, you keep scratching it. Hey! What the f***?
What the hell is wrong with you, dipshit? Retard, dude.
Insurer recommends and get it repaired twice, or choose links. We work for you. Factory specs, factory parts, pre-loss repairs, the finest in collision repair. Brothers are for not in Portland.
On the hand before he could loose his arrow. At that moment, Aaron slammed the blunt handle of her axe into Seox's solar plexus, and the hobgoblin staggered back. Den vaulted up and grabbed him in a chokehold, or the closest thing to a chokehold that the halfling could manage, given that his arms were barely long enough to clasp fully around the hobgoblin.
Work. I think the ability to understand how to capture people's
Holy
attention,
moly, man. Holy moly.
to focus that in a particular direction, to maintain it.
Okay, Garmin.
It's
a revelatory moment of what happened with Parlor. For a while, the line from the left and many people on the right, including people like me on the Libertarian right, was
Your go, man. Go, go, go.
How do the school districts get their tax money? Shit! Are you okay?
Say cheese, dick.
Holy shit. Dude, I didn't mean to do that.
What did you say? I'ma be the flyest chick.
They're gonna cause an accident. Okay, you can't move over. Just try to get around him because cars are gonna come up on you.
There's only so much I can do, Mama. There are cars going on the left of me, too.
If this car